you to love me. I don't need you to love. I've got my sister. I can feel her now. She may not be here, but she's still mine, I know. She still loves me. Got my children, I can't hold them now. They may not be here, but they're still mine, I hope. They know I still love them. Got my house, it's still keep the cold out. Got my chair where my body can hold out. Got my hands doing good like they supposed to. Showing my heart to the folks and I'm close to. Got my eyes, though they don't see us fall now. They see more, but how things really are now. I'm gonna take a deep breath. Gonna hold my hand up. Gonna put my shoulders back and look you straight in the eye. Gonna play with somebody. Will they walk away? I'm gonna sing out. I believe I have inside of me everything that I need to live a beautiful life. And all alone, I'd rather be all standing tall as tree. And I'm thankful every day that I'm leaving. Both good, easy, and hard. I believe that. But most of all, I'm thankful for loving who I really am. I'm beautiful. Yes, I'm beautiful. And I'm here. Grazie.